Hello guys, how are you doing? Let's go on our Unit 10, titled Downtown. Today we have lessons 3 and 4. Okay, we have the difference between was and where, how to use was in a sentence and how to use were in a sentence. First, look at the usage of was. Okay, we use was. Was is used with singular nouns. Was is used with singular nouns. For example, I was at the bookshop. Okay, I was at the bookshop. Here we started with the subject I, then I was at the bookshop. Sentence number 2. Tom was afraid when he saw the lion. Tom, we start with the subject Tom, then followed by was. I was, Tom was. Tom was afraid when he saw the lion. Okay, so we use was with singular noun. I was, she was, he was, it was, and any singular noun like Tom here, Tom was, the boy was, the child was, the girl was. Okay, so we use was with singular nouns. I was, he was, she was, it was, and any singular noun was. Then here we have where. Okay, where is used with the plural nouns, the opposite of singular, plural, and a plural means more than one. Okay, where where is used with the plural nouns. For example, they were at the restaurant. They, we start with subject with they, then followed by where. They were. Okay, we were at the hospital. We here is plural too. So we were at the hospital. The subject, we start with subject we, then followed by where. They were, we were. Okay, and as you know, was is the second form of am and is. I was, he was, she was. Okay, and the second form of are, were, we were, they were, you were. Okay, so we use the form of was and were. I was, he was, she was, it was, and any singular noun as we said, Tom here, singular noun, was, Tom was. Okay, we use we with plural nouns. We were, they were, you were, and any plural nouns were. Okay, so, as you know, the second form of am and is was, and the second form of are were. Okay, so we are talking about the second form of verb to be was and were. We use was with I, he, she, and it, and any singular noun, and we use were with we, they, you, and any plural noun. And the negative form, as you can see, was not. The negative form of was not. And the abbreviation for was not, wasn't. For example, I wasn't, or I was not at the bookshop. Were not. The negative form, were not or weren't. They were not at the restaurant, or they weren't at the restaurant. So the negative form of was not or wasn't, were not or weren't. Okay, here we have for next time. CR like crab. We pronounce it k, crab, crab, crab. It's a sea animal as you can see, crab. And cry, crab, cry, crab, cry. Okay, and TR like tree, 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 truck, truck, truck. And DR like dream, dream, and dress, dress. Okay, crab, cry, dream, dress, tree, and truck. Okay, let's read. Read the sentences. As you can see from the picture, the first one, the first sentence, the crabs cry as they cross the creek. The crabs cry as they cross the creek. Okay, cry, cross, creek, crab. Sentence number two. A girl in a red dress dreams at her desk. A girl in a red dress dreams at her desk. Okay, dress, dream. Sentence number three. Tamir and Tahani trade trucks in the tree. Tamir and Tahani trade trucks in the tree. Here we have trucks, and the tree. Okay, let's do some exercises on lessons 3 and 4. Unit 10. Choose the correct answer from A, B, or C. Number 1. Is there space spaghetti? Okay, here we have some, any, one. Is there, okay, we have two options, any and some. Look at the sentence again. Is there space spaghetti? It's a question, and we use any in question and negative sentence. So we have to use, or we have to choose any. Excellent, any. Is there any spaghetti? Sentence number 2. Space, there any mushrooms? Mushrooms. Does, is, are. Here we have mushrooms is a plural. Plural. Okay, so we have to use are there any mushrooms? So the answer, are there any mushrooms? Because mushrooms is a plural. Are there any mushrooms? Number 3. Space much is the book. What? How? Whose? Okay. Here we have how much to ask about the price of something. How much is the book? How much is the t-shirt, for example? So when I want to ask about the price, I can use how much. The answer of number 3, how much is the book? Number 4, space about some strawberry ice cream. Okay, when, where, and what? As you know, what about some strawberry ice cream? What about doing something? What about eating? What about having? What about followed by verb plus ing or noun? As we hear, we have noun strawberry ice cream. Sentence number 6. Pairs is this, when, whose, and how. Okay, I'm asking here about the owner of the pairs. So I can ask using whose. Whose pairs is this? Whose pen, for example, whose pen is this? Whose book? Whose glasses are these? Okay, number 7. Space these your glasses. Okay, here we have was, does, and where. These your glasses. Glasses are now are plural. So we have to use where these your glasses. Where these your glasses. Okay. Number 8. How space is the ice cream? How, we're asking about the price. How much? How much is the ice cream? Number 9. I eat at the space museum, chemist's restaurant, a place where you can have a meal or buy a meal. Okay, here we have excellent restaurant. I eat at the restaurant. And the last one, the boy bought the medicine from the The boy bought the medicine from the space bakery, chemist's bookshop. Okay, the boy bought the medicine from a place where you can buy medicine. It's chemist's. As you know, chemist's is a place where you can buy medicine. So the correct answer, chemist's. Okay, question number two. Read and write true T or false F. There are grapes. Okay, look at the picture. Look at the picture first. Look at the picture and read number one. There are grapes. It's a fruit, by the way. Okay, false or true? Can you see any grapes? Okay, I can't see any grapes. So there are grapes, false. Write down F. So number one, false. There are any grapes, false. Okay, number two, father has a present. Father has a present, and present means gift, as you know. Okay, father has a present. Yes, he has a present. So it will be true. Write down T. Okay, number two will be true. Number three, Mona is eating ice cream. Here we have Mona. Mona is not eating, she is drinking something. So the answer will be false. Okay, Mona is eating ice cream. False. Sentence number four. The cats are sleeping. Okay, the cats are sleeping. True. Write down T. Okay, thanks for listening and see you next time, inshallah.